change your shirt.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. I would have been mad. Welcome back. My name is Nathan Ziegler, the upper school principal at Hope Academy. I've got another card trick for you today, and as with all my magic tricks, I don't really have magical powers. There's just a secret that you don't know. What? For this trick, I'm going to have you stop it wherever you would like for a card. Okay. Gonna take your card, 6 of hearts, and pull it out of the pack. When I flick the pack turns blank except for your card. If I put it in there, I can show you the backs of the cards are blank except for your card. If I put it back in the pack, cards are back. One more time, can make the cards disappear. And they are back once more. There you go. Back by popular demand, we've got more dad jokes for you. Before I start this set of jokes, you probably all know that in Minnesota we call soft drinks pop, but pop's not going to work for any of these jokes, so we're going to be calling them soft drinks for today. Hopefully you're alright with that. A man got hit in the head with a can of Coke. He was alright though because it was a soft drink. Which U.S. state is famous for its extra small soft drinks? Minnesota. I used to work for a soft drink can crushing company. It was so depressing. You probably noticed we've got a few new audience members today. And the last one, what's Fred Flintstone's favorite soft drink? Mountain Yabba Dabba Doo. And for your riddle, yesterday's riddle was what weighs more, or which weighs more, a pound of bricks or a pound of feathers? They weigh the same. They both weigh 1 pound. Today's riddle is imagine that you are in a room with no doors and no windows. How do you get out? I will share that answer with you tomorrow. Your word of encouragement for today comes from the book of Romans, chapter 15, verse 13. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in Him, so that you may overflow by the power of the Holy Spirit. So there's only one way that we can be an outpouring of joy and an outpouring of peace, is that if we ourselves are being filled by God's joy and peace as we trust in Him, so that His power, that His Holy Spirit can fill us, and so that we can do the same to others. Hope you're having a great day, and I will see you again tomorrow.